Do you know that Lord Krishna once married the son of Arjuna? In the epic Mahabharata, Airavat, the valiant son of Arjuna, and Ulupi, the Naga princess, had a unique divine boon of invulnerability. To participate in the war, Airavat needed to perform a ritual that required him to marry a woman. However, this posed a dilemma because the woman would become a widow as soon as she married him, leading to an unfortunate fate. Because, as per the ritual, Airavat was destined to die a heroic death in the war. In a remarkable act of compassion and divine intervention, Lord Krishna transformed into a lady and married Airavat to fulfill the ritual. This extraordinary gesture exemplifies Lord Krishna's role as a protector. Airavat's ritual held immense importance. His self-sacrifice contributed to the victory of the Kurukshetra war. This lesser-known fact from the Mahabharata highlights the depth of Lord Krishna's compassion and his willingness to take on any form to uphold dharma, righteousness. And the story of Airavat emphasizes the themes of sacrifice, duty, and the willingness to make personal sacrifices for a greater cause.